News coming in on the Neelam Shinde case front. Now, from what we are understanding, father and the brother have indeed received their visa. Neelam Shinde was an Indian student, had been battling for life in California after suffering critical injuries after she met a road accident. Her father and her brother have been given visas to visit. She sustained serious injuries and now she had to undergo immediate operation. Neelam is currently in coma and her family members from Maharashtra, Satara, have now been given the visa to visit. Her family was struggling to get a visa to visit her. Now with the government intervention, Neelam Shinde's father and brother have been given a visa. She sustained serious injuries and she had to undergo immediate operation after the head injury. At the moment, she is in coma and her family members, her brother and her father, have now been given the visa. The government had intervened in this case. Her family was struggling to get a visa. They wanted to reach the United States as soon as possible. Father and brother have now received the visa. This is the Neelam Shinde case. Neelam Shinde is from Maharashtra. Her family resides in Satara in Maharashtra. She is an Indian student. She is battling for her life in California. She suffered critical injuries. There was a road accident after which she suffered critical injuries. At the moment, she is in coma. Her family from Satara in the state of Maharashtra will be traveling to the United States of America. The family had in fact appealed to the government. The government intervened and now her father and her brother have been given the visa to visit her. At the moment, she is hospitalized. She is in coma. The family is all set to visit the United States of America to be with her. The Neelam Shinde case, father-brother have finally received the visa. The government had intervened in this case. My colleague Vidya is now joining me on the story. Vidya, the family was very, very disturbed. They in fact had sought the help of the government. The government help has indeed come in. And now, from what we understand, the father and the brother have received the visa.
Well, in fact, they have been very thankful. We spoke to them just a while back and they are very thankful to the government for helping out. They said the Chief Minister as well as the Union government was very forthcoming in this and, they have been contacted by the consulate and immediately what was something that was unthinkable has happened where in just a few minutes they got their visa cleared and they have it for 1 year and now they are just looking forward to seeing their sister and their daughter. In fact, what the family has stated very clearly is that, when I was asking them some time back, they said that they have taken some gold loans and, they have taken some money from the relatives and friends and they are making sure that they reach America. And of course, after that, it will all depend on how she's recovering. But according to what they have been told is that Neelam is recovering. I'm joined by the father. सर क्या बताया गया है क्या कैसी तबीयत है?
अभी 2 दिन पहले उसने बोला है डॉक्टर ने कि पहले से थोड़ा रिस्पांस आता है
बेटर
हाँ सेटल
कोमा में भी रिस्पांस
दे रही है वो जो हृदय है वो अच्छा चल रहा है बाकी शरीर का सब लेकिन ब्रेन का थोड़ा हाई होता है वो भी उसने कंट्रोल में लाया है
अभी तक अगर मान लीजिए अस्पताल को कोई कंसेंट लेना होता था कुछ प्रोसीजर करने के लिए तो वो कैसे कर रहे थे आप लोग से यहाँ पे बात हो रही थी क्या अस्पताल
हो हॉस्पिटल में वो हमारा गौरव बात करता था हर दिन हर दिन वो पूछता था कैसा है क्या है ये सब डॉक्टर उनको बोलता था
तो अभी वीजा के लिए आपको बहुत स्मूथली हो गया इतना स्मूथली एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे थे क्या
नहीं राज्य शासन और केंद्र शासन के माध्यम से और तुम्हारे न्यूज चैनल से सब ये से वो मिला है
अभी जाएंगे तो ये लग रहा है कि कैसी होगी बेटी आपने देखी तो होगी नहीं अपनी बेटी को काफी दिनों से
काफी दिनों से 1 साल हो गया मैं देखा नहीं अब देखेंगे
गई थी तो हंसी
हाँ गए तो हंसी खेलती गई थी अभी क्या है ऊपर वाले का खेल अपन भी वैसा परमेश्वर को ये मांगता है कि उधर संकट से दूर करो उनको बस इतना ही मांगता है
अभी जाएंगे तो सबसे पहले क्या मतलब क्या सोचा, क्या क्या दिखेगा,
क्या नहीं, हम अपने जाने का देखेगा। अब उनका कुछ भी होगा सेवा करने का, मैं तैयार हूँ।
कितने दिन रहना पड़ेगा, कुछ सोचा है?
क्या अभी डॉक्टर ने बताया नहीं, देखते हैं कैसा होता है।
That was the father of Neelam, who's hoping that she recovers fast and that this recovery is done at the earliest, so that they can see their daughter again in the hale and hearty condition that she had been when she had left from India.
Right. Thank you, Vidya. My colleague Vidya spoke with the father who's just received the visa. The father and the brother will now be traveling to the United States of America.